Welcome back to the class 12 students who are looking our teaching learning methods of class 12 of meaning into words for class 12. So good morning all of you and welcome to again to you in our classes. So now I am continuing to your next exercise related with unit 3 and previously I hope that you had studied or learned more about the different exercises from unit 1 to unit 3. So means if you want to see from unit 1 to unit 3, you can go through our channels and like and subscribe and comment to our teaching learning method of class 12 meaning into words. And now I am going to start unit 3 exercise 3.6 about background information of add an appropriate relative clause to these sentences. In previous class I had taught how to use and what are the relative clauses. So means the exercise and joining to the two sentences were also taught in previous class, but now I am going to teach using relative clauses in the space, in the blanks, by completing the sentence. You can also complete the sentence using the relative clauses. So here in exercise 3.6 number 1 it is given here, I could not wait to get back to Venice. Venice means it is name of the place. Venice means name of the place. So in this condition you can use where, because Venice means place. Instead of the place you can use where. I taught in the previous classes for the place we can use where. So here is given, I could not wait to get back to Venice. So means why, you can write different kinds of the reason, different kinds of the statement, different kinds of the proper sentence. So you can write, I could not wait to get back to Venice where Marco Polo was born. Marco Polo was born. So means where Marco Polo was born. Instead of this sentence you can write another sentence as well using who. Using where. Similarly, at last they managed to repair the telephone. Here means the telephone. Telephone means it is a type of thing. Instead of birds, animals and things we can use which, that, what. And using which, that and what you can complete the sentence. So at last they managed to repair the telephone. Why? You can write telephone which had been disconnected. Which have been disconnected. So means here which had been disconnected. After disconnected, okay, it was repaired. Finish. Then the teacher. Here the teacher means what? Teacher means human means person. Instead of the person you can use who, and using who you can complete the sentence for sensible and meaningful. The teacher, okay, the teacher, and instead of teacher you can use who. The teacher who was, the teacher who was my father's friend. Here the teacher who was my father's friend here turned round suddenly. Turned round suddenly. So means it is meaningful, sensible and proper as well. And next one, I eventually found the letter. I eventually found the letter. So letter means what? What is the letter? So here the letter. Letter means also a type of thing. Letter means it is also a type of thing. So we can use, or you can use, which, that, what. 3. Which, that, what. Which is possible, which is suitable in your sense, you can use. So here, found the letter. I eventually found the letter which I eventually found the letter. Then letter which my mother had written. Here I eventually found the letter which my mother had written in my pocket, in jacket pocket. Okay. And last, we were all very grateful to Richard. Why to be grateful? Why? What's the reason? Maybe different kinds of the reason. So means we have to be grateful to Mr. Richard. Why? So means we can write, or you can write, who had saved our lives. Yeah, who. So means in this way, these are the different relative clauses used in the different places, condition and sentences, joining two sentences or completing the sentences. So means here are given who, Richard, person, which, it, the letter, it is thing. Here teacher, it is also person, who. And here at last they managed to repair telephone. This telephone, it is thing, which, and vanish means it is a type of place. So here is used when. In this way you can use, or you can complete the varieties of the sentences using the relative clauses in different ways. So student, I hope that after studying or reading this lesson, this exercise, you can complete, or you can solve the different kinds of the exercise related to relative clauses, or using of the relative clauses, or maintaining the relative clauses with the different sentences. So guys, I hope that you can solve. and also request you, please give more focus, more attention about the teaching learning methods. Either it is well method or not, either it is effective for you or not. If it is effective or non-effective, please give your comment. Also like and subscribe our channel and give your feedback so that I will try to correct my methods. I will show you next ideas, next method, techniques, so that I can confirm you, I can clear you for teaching English for class 12 students. So guys, this is the last exercise of unit 3, and I promise you I will see in next unit from tomorrow. So today only this much. Thank you.